He finished his career as electrical installations lead for Delta IV. Kurt was a supportive coworker, sharing his wealth of design knowledge, as well as a consummate professional, always able to deliver a quality product while adapting to design changes and keeping pace with a rapid launch rate. Kurt was a caring individual, dedicated to his career, family, and friends. He exuded joy and humor wherever he went and will be remembered and missed by all he touched.
This is the mine pass 711.
This is the final status check before launch for all Delta vehicle systems, ground systems, the spacecraft, and the U.S. Air Force Eastern Range. The vehicle system readiness pool includes electrical systems, hydraulic, pneumatic, propulsion systems, flight control, and propellant.
They're going to remain in hold.
Range green.
It'll be a pretty dramatic ignition, so don't be concerned. It looks like a big fireball at the bottom, and that's normal, okay? All right, look down there it goes. There goes the Delta IV rocket, and you see the screen is still on a delay. There it goes. Now here comes the rumble. Don't be alarmed. Here it comes. Climbing out east over the ocean, okay? It's going to head out near Africa. It'll be there in a few minutes, actually. There you go. Now, again, about a minute and a half after the launch, if you look closely, you may see the solid rocket boosters come off. There are 4 of them. They look like twinkling stars, basically, when they come off.